Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Colombian red beans. Delicious and made in minutes. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna place the beans in water and leave them sitting there for 6 hours or overnight. Then we're gonna pour the beans into the pot with water to cover it 1 inch high. Into the beans and the water, we're gonna add a couple of carrots. Then we're gonna steam on a rack on top of it, tomato cut in half, some cilantro, 1 bell pepper cut in half, and 1 white onion. You cook them at medium heat for 20 minutes, and voila! Perfect beans always! Remove all the vegetables from the rack, and you see they become very soft and hard to take out. So that's why we put them on the rack. Then we add the carrots and some of the cooking liquid. This is all you need for these delicious beans. Really fast and easy, and tastes like nothing you've ever had before. You can make these and freeze a lot of them. Now you blend all of this together, and this is gonna make the sauce. This way they will cook perfect. Enjoy delicious red beans. Keep your blood sugar perfect and have lots of energy. Now blend this delicious liquid and make a puree. Place this liquid back into the mixture. You can now add salt to your beans, not before, because otherwise they will be dry in the center and mushy in the inside. Add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, mix, and scroll down for the recipe. You can print it. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.